It's August 13th and it looks like it's tater time. Now, here in East Texas, I've decided to plant my potatoes when my potatoes from my spring crop want to start growing. And some more than others, but they're green sprouting. You might want to say chitting if you was in UK or something, but potato growers up here that grow seed potatoes, they call that green sprout. And it looks like I got a bunch of them. And so what we're going to do is we've tilled this up, got it good and moist because it's super hot and dry here. In fact, some of my rows over there are going to be a little bit too moist. I had to let them dry just a little bit, and because you can never tell how much water is under the surface. But what she's doing now is she is taking and covering the fertilizer, which is something I should be doing too, but somebody's got to shoot a video. And once we cover the fertilizer, we're going to start dropping these potatoes. Now, when we do these this time of year, we don't cut our potatoes unless they've got a bad spot on them. We'll cut it off. So and we'll go through that in just a little bit. We've got our fertilizer buried, and now we just throw some taters off in there. And once we get those taters in there, or would you rather say potatoes? I think we better get rid of this. This one here just don't look good. And once we get them in there, we'll do like this row over here. We'll cover them up. Now we're using our new bag of fertilizer or chicken litter that's 333. We're getting a nice healthy dose, and maybe I'll show you that. But when you're planting fall tomatoes, you need to take the time to plant on it now, because you won't buy any potatoes this time of year. Seed potatoes, you might find some. There might be some place, but that's normally they normally just don't have them. So your feed stores or a lot of your places where you get your potatoes earlier. I know I deal with the local greenhouse supply when I buy mine, but yeah, you've got to get them in the spring because most people don't plant fall potatoes. So anyway, let's get these in the ground. This is day 2 of planting. We've got more potatoes. We're putting them out. We did 4.5 rows yesterday, and we'll do probably at least a row in the other half. But we put the fertilizer down in the trench, and we just come back and bury it. Then we come back and place our potatoes. Now these are French fingerlings, and a lot of them's kind of small. Some of them aren't really green sprouting as well, but we'll see what happens. We put them all out, and then once that's done, we bury our potatoes. We don't bury them very deep, about 3-4 inches. That way they can sprout pretty quick, and then we'll come back with the healer after they get up just a little bit and pull dirt in. They get rid of a lot of the weeds and stuff like that may come in. But we're going to end up with about 6.5 rows. That's with the French fingerlings. We planted some more red Pontiacs. That's what she's burying now down there. And then we started at the edge with our Kennebecs because we noticed in our other plot, the ones that when they were close to the sprinklers, they was tend to rot more. I don't think they like as much water, but we'll see how it goes. We put them at the edge where they don't get as much water. But anyway, I hope you found some value in this, and thanks for watching. And of course, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and select all. And of course, give it a big thumbs up. And definitely enjoy that gardening experience and grow your own food.